Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and the organist at the church. I'm going to be talking about the choir anthem that will be sung on February 13th. It's entitled, "It Is Well With My Soul." Some of you may know this melody as "When Peace Like a River," but the story behind it is one of the more famous hymn stories. Let me share that with you right now. Horatio Spafford knew something, that's the composer of the text of the hymn, knew something about unexpected challenges. He was a successful attorney and real estate investor, but he lost all his fortune during the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. And around that time, his beloved 4-year-old son died of scarlet fever. Thinking a vacation would do his family some good, he sent his wife and 4 daughters on a ship to England, planning to join them later when he had finished some pressing business at home. However, while they were crossing the Atlantic Ocean, the ship was involved in a terrible collision and sank. More than 200 people lost their lives, including all 4 of Horatio Spafford's precious daughters. His wife, Anna, survived the tragedy. Upon arriving in England, she sent him a telegram which began, "Saved alone, what shall I do?" Horatio immediately set sail for England. At one point during the voyage, the captain of the ship was aware of the tragedy that had struck the Spafford family. He summoned Horatio to tell him that they were now passing over the spot where the shipwreck had occurred. As Horatio thought about his daughters, words of comfort and hope filled his heart and mind. He wrote them down, and they have since become a well-beloved hymn. Quote, "When peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whate'er my lot thou hast taught me to know, it is well with my soul." On Sunday, February 13th, we're going to be listening to the Beatitudes also. As we listen to the Beatitudes, let's also think about the words of the choir anthem, as they have a lot to do with unexpected joys and unexpected tragedies. Thank you for listening. Again, this is St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. Join us on live on Facebook at 9:30 a.m. Or better still, come on down to St. Paul Lutheran Church in Sarasota, Florida. Our service is at 9:30 a.m. Looking forward to meeting you. Thanks for listening.